G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate gummy scrambled eggs. These are unreal. Might sound strange. I find this really awesome. So let's go.
Simple Cooking Channel.
Now get a bowl, measuring cup, whatever. Put in 6 eggs. Then add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of cream. Now just mix this together. Just beat it a little bit. Not too hard. We don't want to beat them to the point of bruises. So now add between 2 and 4 tablespoons of raw cacao powder. Now mix this through. Now get some unflavoured gelatin. I use the Great Lakes. Now put in about a tablespoon. Just mix it through. Heat a frying pan and pour the mixture in. Now just get some of the mixture, put it in there, just squash it down. Now just get that and turn it this way. I hope you like this. It's very gummy. Wow, that was so good. Oh, I might have to have about 3 more of these. Now, don't forget, if you want to get the recipe card for this video, click on the link in the description below, and you can also get a free ebook when you go to my website. See you next time for my next meal.
Simple Cooking Channel.